In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your tax return in TurboTax so you can download or print your forms. If you're seeing a message that download or print isn't available yet, it's because you haven't filed your tax return. The solution is simple. Complete the return and submit it first. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can get it done with confidence. Start by logging into your TurboTax account. Once you're in, look for the button that says Start or Continue Your Return. This takes you back to where you left off, or begins a fresh return if you're just getting started. Begin with the My Info section. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on official documents, your date of birth, and select your filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Your filing status affects your standard deduction and tax brackets, so pick the one that truly matches your situation. If you're unsure, TurboTax will guide you with brief explanations as you go. Next, head to the Income section. Here, add all the income you received during the year, things like W-2s from employers and 1099s for contract work, interest, or dividends. Enter each form carefully, matching amounts to what's printed on your documents. If you don't have any income to report, you can skip this section for now and move forward. After that, go to Deductions and Credits. This part is optional, so if you're not certain what applies to you, you can skip it and return later. Still, it can be valuable. This is where you might claim education expenses, child and dependent care, or charitable contributions. If something doesn't apply, just leave it out. When you're ready, go to Review. TurboTax will flag anything that looks incomplete or inconsistent. Work through each item it highlights, correcting typos, missing entries, or mismatched numbers. The goal is to clear all errors so your return is accurate and ready to submit. Now click File. Choose e-file, which is recommended because it's faster, more secure, and typically results in quicker processing. If you're due a refund, you'll be prompted to enter your bank details for direct deposit. Carefully enter the routing and account numbers from your bank. Double-check them to avoid delays. If a refund doesn't apply to you, simply proceed. Finally, click Submit. Once your return is successfully filed, the download and print options will become available in TurboTax, and you can save or print copies for your records. That's it. You're done and ready to access your documents.